Happy Gardening 2024. So I just wanted to come out in between showers and show you all of the blooms and the fruiting that is going on in the garden. If you would go back to my previous video, maybe about 3 or 4 days ago, most of these were flower clusters. But the rain has really been making a difference in the growth and the blooms of my garden. Now, these are my tomato containers, and they're a step-by-step process of how I built these containers from beginning to end. You can see exactly what I did. But in a matter of days, due to all the rain, all of those beautiful flowers that were budding are now tomato clusters. These are indeterminate tomatoes, so they're going to actually grow as long as I let them grow. Beautiful. Look at that. Clusters everywhere. Tomatoes everywhere. And this is one of my lovely fig tree. It is actually the oldest tree in the garden. It is about 8 years old, and it goes dormant, of course, every fall and winter. But she is showing out this year. I have big blooms all up and down this fig tree. I am so excited. The ones I got last year were so sweet and juicy. I just know they're going to be delicious this year. And this is the main side of the garden. And as you can see, those are some flower clusters. But the clusters that I saw the other day have definitely turned to fruit. And when I come back out in another few days, I come out every day, but I'll do another footage. You'll see that those flowers will soon be fruit as well. So here are some of my bell peppers, one of my bell pepper plants. And these are the chilies. They're green now, but they are going to turn red. And here are some of the flowers that grow in my garden alongside the vegetables, and they encourage beneficial insects. I saw bees the other day, and of course I got out of the way. Thanks for taking this tour with me. Like, subscribe, and share. Happy Gardening 2024.